Hello friends, this is one of the most common Java interview question. The interviewer will ask you, can you reverse this string but do not use the inbuilt function provided by the string builder. So how can you solve this problem? It is pretty straightforward. We are going to use the for loop which will start from the last character of the string and it will traverse through all the way to the first character. As we are traversing to the string here, we will have the result string which will keep track of. In fact, we'll keep adding that character to the result string. To start with, it would be empty, and we'll have the for loop. This for loop will start from the last index, which will be our original string dot length minus 1, and as long as I is greater than or equal to 0, we will keep decrementing the value of I. And in the block, it would be result is equal to original string. We are going to use this caret function which will give us the character from the string, and once this loop is completed we will be able to see our result. So it would be a reverse string which will be our result, and let's print it. Okay, I'm running this program and we'll see the results. There we go. Thanks for watching.